That is so good. And the Oscar goes to Captain Raphael. Yay! Amazing.
Hi guys.
I've met Captain Starlight, and she was wiggling like a worm while she walked, so I was thinking that I should press the worm.
Welcome. Welcome to Passport Official Channel. Like it, subscribe.
Guys, welcome to Passport Channel.
Rafi, Raf, what's your favorite color? What? Why green?
Did you do that? We need a little Captain America. You love this? Perfect. There you go. Let's stand here and look at Mum. Take a photo. Yeah.
Oh, thank you for coming here. Wow.
Should we muscle as well?
One.
Captain Starlight, and she was wiggling like a worm while she walked, so I was thinking that I should press the worm. I got 8,000. How much? 3,000? That's not that much.
Alright?
All thanks to you. Thanks for teaching me all those science stuff,
You're welcome.
so you could make me start. Okay, that's the end. We're first. Ma, we're first. Drum roll. All right. Okay. All about face.
Ding. Ryan. Yes! You're first!
Oh yeah.
Captain
I thought you were Captain Starlight. So it made me go like this. But then I just realized that you were just my mom.
I don't think so.
No?
No.
No. Wait, no cahoots. There's no cahoots in here. No cahoots. Not on the podium.
I was on the podium.
Oh, really? Sorry, your mum is a good actor. Totally believed her. How cool is that pillow? with Baby Yoda.
Captain Raphael, we have a choice. Would you like a Starlight created marble game or a Starlight created, it's like a puzzle?
You're going to put it back together.
Which one would you like? Yes, there you go.
He's going to choose this. He's doing a movie. He's making a stop motion.
Oh, and this is perfect because you can put it back together so you
Yes.
can film each piece.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
You show captains your what you
Movie
made.
maker over here.
You show what you did.
Let's have a look. That is good stop motion. Raphael, this is amazing.
Is this the beginning of you winning an Oscar?
I feel like it might be.
Oh my gosh. Guys, look out, there's a shark.
Excuse me, Mr. Movie Maker.
So good. Oh, and a rocket lands.
Yeah.
Puzzle rocket. Explodes into a million pieces.
That's
So good. The Oscar goes to
Captain
Yay!
Amazing.
And the Oscar is the rocket.
Yep, that's your rocket Oscar.
Thanks for letting
Well
us visit
done.
and watch a little premiere of
you.
your stop motion. We could put
It's
that on.
actually included on April 4.
Oh, really?
Yes, so and then the Lego one. You showed the Lego one that you
As in, it's included in.
in
the
the
short-
said the short films thing
Oh my
on the 4th of April.
Oh my gosh!
Um, from Steve, the one who's
Oh, the
animator,
animator.
yeah.
God, yes, yeah, he's
Yes.
really good, isn't he? We've
Yes.
had him work with us
this
before.
one. They made this.
Oh, that's
Raphael,
so cool.
So cool, bud.
If you want any like background actors,
Yes, or
really good.
voiceovers.
Yeah, we can do
Voice
music.
over
We
team.
can do like the dun 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 bu- 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 da- da- drrrr, bu- 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 dum, choo, du- 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 bu- bu- bu. Okay, you want that? I'll record that. Just let me know.
You made his.
You're welcome. See you later. Keep going with that. That's very cool. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, sorry. Did they make it slower? Yes. Yes, even the flash is slow. Things. It doesn't stay. Okay. Hi guys. Rafi.
So this is a rocket.
No, where did you get that?
And then second, and I won the complete quiz and I was on first place, and I got this, prize.
Captain Starlight.
living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray